In a startling revelation, a new study published in the Lancet Global Health has found that half of the adult population in India is physically unfit. If this alarming trend is not addressed, experts warn that by 2030, a staggering 60% of Indian adults could be facing physical unfitness. The study highlights that 57% of Indian women have insufficient levels of physical activity as compared to 42% of men. Speaking of global rankings, India ranks 12th among 195 countries in terms of physical unfitness. And looking at the regional trends, the Asia-Pacific and South Asia regions show the highest levels of physical inactivity globally. As per reports, 48% and 45% of the populations are unfit. What is the bigger picture though? Globally, 31.3% of adults are physically unfit. This has increased from 26.4% in 2010. The global goal is to reduce this number to less than 15%. Some other figures point out the drastic decline in the level of fitness in 2000. 22.3% of Indian adults were physically unfit. By 2010, this number rose to 34%. As of 2022, nearly half of the Indian adult population fails to meet the World Health Organization's recommended weekly activity threshold. A couple of observations in the study also point out another significant gender gap. Like, for instance, in South Asia, women are 14% more likely to be insufficiently active as compared to men. In fact, according to the WHO guidelines, adults should engage in at least 150 to 300 minutes of physical activity per week. And failure to do so increases the risk of non-communicable diseases like diabetes, obesity, and heart conditions. Experts urging a shift in diet and lifestyle to combat the crisis. Incorporating simple activities like walking, running, yoga, or weight training into daily routines, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, can make a significant difference. It's safe to say that it is high time that we invest in some good walking shoes. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.